AKUDA, a movie that is centered on cultural belief and society norm. What is your own take on reincarnation? Ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ̀ kí lẹ̀yin rò nípa àkúdàáyà. Ǹjẹ́ àkúdàáyà wà àbí kò sí? Please, if this is your first time of coming across this channel, make sure you like and subscribe on this channel. Thank you very much. Because as you subscribe, it will help us to quickly bring out the part 2 of this movie. And also, you can comment the parts that you like or you don't agree with in this movie. A lè sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àwọn apá ibi tí a fẹ́ràn jù tàbí tí a kò fẹ́ràn nínú eré yìí nínú comment section. The cast of this movie: YETUNDE BARNABAS, ITELE, ODUNLADE, ADEKOLA, àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. We'll meet actors and actresses that have done well and professionally in this movie. You can also comment the parts that you like or the parts that you don't like in this movie. Thank you very much.
What to do? Please subscribe!